Bats are some of the most fascinating yet misunderstood creatures on Earth. They are the only mammals capable of true flight. With over 1,400 species found around the world, often called nature's pest controllers, a single bat can eat up to 1,000 insects in just 1 hour. But they do more than just that. They also pollinate plants and disperse seeds, making them vital to healthy ecosystems. Contrary to popular belief, only 3 species feed on blood, and they typically target livestock, not humans. Bats use a unique ability called echolocation to navigate and hunt in complete darkness. Some can live over 30 years, and species like fruit bats, also known as flying foxes, can have wingspans reaching up to 6 feet. Sadly, many bat species face threats from habitat loss and disease. Despite the myths, bats are gentle, intelligent, and crucial to the balance of our environment. True superheroes of the night.